Hello everyone, this is Dinesh Kadam and today we will discuss the next point of the oxidation topic. So let's start it. Next our topic is the Jones reagent. Actually Jones reagent is a solution of chromium trioxide in aqueous sulfuric acid using acetone as a reaction solvent. The reagent is usually used for the oxidation of primary and secondary alcohols to carboxylic acid and ketones respectively. The oxidation is very rapid and exothermic. So here as I have already told you, this is the Jones reagent is nothing but the solution of chromium trioxide in aqueous sulfuric acid. As you can see here, instead of which we can also use the Na2Cr2O7 in aqueous acid instead of Jones reagent, because of it is also shows the similar properties and gives the similar reactions. Here the oxidation of primary alcohols carried out with the Jones reagent gives the carboxylic acid as a final product, and the oxidation of secondary alcohol carried out by using the Jones reagent gives the product ketone, and it doesn't goes to the carboxylic acid because of there is no any further hydrogen carbon hydrogen bond to replace by the carbon oxygen bond. And here we will discuss the mechanism for the oxidation by Jones reagent. The mechanism is not much that hard, but the practice is must. First of all, the reaction has been taken place into the Jones reagent itself, that is the chromium trioxide and between the H2SO4, which gives the chromic acid. The mechanism shown here for the formation of chromic acid is not much that necessary to be mentioned, instead of which you can just write the reaction in this way for the formation of chromic acid, that is H2Cr2O4, and the mechanism by chromic acid for the oxidation of primary alcohol as shown here, that the alcohol first of all attacks on the chromic acid by the lone pairs of oxygen attacking on the chromium to get the our next intermediate, as like this one. Here the water molecules present in the reaction mixture is able to abstract the proton from this intermediate and gives the our next intermediate, like in this intermediate the simply rearrangement reaction takes place by which the carbon hydrogen bond is replaced by the carbon oxygen bond, and we got the product with the carbon oxygen double bond, which is considered as the oxidized product. And in this case the further oxidation may be possible because of there is still carbon hydrogen bond is remain at the aldehyde carbon. Okay, that is a carbonyl carbon, and the formation of aldehyde intermediate taken place. And here the reaction is still continue because of here is a one hydrogen present at the carbon to which oxygen is directly bonded. म्हणजे इथं कार्बन ऑक्सिजनला अटॅच्ड जो कार्बन आहे त्या कार्बनला डिरेक्टली अटॅच्ड एक हायड्रोजन आहे आणि त्याचाही बॉन्ड कार्बन हायड्रोजन बॉन्डऐवजी कार्बन ऑक्सिजन बॉन्डमध्ये कन्वर्ट करता येऊ शकतो. सो दिस रिॲक्शन इज स्टील कंटिन्यू, and here the protonation of aldehyde taken place, as there is still the acidic condition is present in the reaction mixture. So here the protonation of aldehyde makes the aldehyde more electron deficient, which and makes the carbonyl carbon more susceptible to attack by the water molecule, and got the product diol. So here the further reaction has been gone in the same way to be replace the carbon hydrogen bond by carbon oxygen bond, as we had seen already. Just continue this reaction until the carbon hydrogen bond is replaced by the carbon oxygen bond from this carbon, which is directly attached to the oxygen, and we will get the final product as the carboxylic acid. The Jones reagent we have studied here, having the number of advantages like it is commercially available and the oxidation is very rapid and quite exothermic. The yields are typically high, and the reagent rarely oxidizes the unsaturated bonds, means it does not give the unwanted reaction at the double bonds. But although it is a useful reagent for some applications, it has some limitations by which the oxidation has slowly been replaced by other oxidation methods. And these limitations are, as it is acidic, it does not tolerate the acid sensitive groups in the compounds like acetals. And the second one is, if aldehyde is the desired product, Jones reagent is not preferable as further oxidation takes place and gives the carboxylic acid. Next one is it is a carcinogenic agent, means इसके ज़्यादातर कांटेक्ट में आने से कैंसर भी हो सकता है.